Hello students, in the previous class we have learned what is cloud computing and we have seen different models of computing. There were three different models. They were IaaS, Infrastructure as Service. Second one was PaaS, Platform as a Service. And the third one was SaaS, which is Software as a Service. Today, we are going to learn about types of cloud computing. Cloud computing is of three different types. The first one, public cloud. Second, private cloud. The third one, hybrid cloud. Let us have a look at this diagram also. So the public cloud for all the people available publicly. Private cloud, it is blocked. That means it is only available to the one who has the key towards the lock. That means it is private and only some specific people can use. Hybrid is a combination of both these clouds. Let us see each one of them individually. Public cloud. As the name says, it is public. Multiple users can use this cloud. In this type, all services and supporting infrastructure are managed off-site over the internet and shared across multiple users. So all the services and infrastructure, they are available on the internet and multiple users are going to share the service. Look here in the diagram. So this is a public cloud. That means the services, infrastructure, the softwares, everything will be available to all the people which are connected. Okay, so it is publicly available, shared by multiple companies. Next point, public clouds are more efficient and inexpensive than private and hybrid cloud solutions. Now public cloud, as more and more people are sharing, the cost for that is going to be less. So it is inexpensive. Private and hybrid are expensive clouds. Next, example, Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform. So these are the examples of public cloud. Let us have a look at the next type. Next type is private cloud. As the name says, it is private. Only specified group can use it. Private cloud provides IT services through internet or private network to selected users rather than to general public. So it is going to provide you the services only to some users which are connected to the private cloud, or rather which are renting the private cloud. Look at the diagram. This is company A. This is cloud which is owned by company A. So only and only company A is going to use this. Other people, other companies are not allowed to access this private cloud. Next point, all data is protected behind the firewalls. Now since they are having a private cloud, the data is very important, and that is why data is secured behind the firewall. Private cloud solutions are preferred for enhanced security and privacy by the users. So private clouds only when the data is very confidential and they have to keep it secured from public, then they move on to the private cloud. Alright, so let's move to the third one. The third one is hybrid cloud. Hybrid means combination of public and private. Hybrid cloud environment combines both public and private cloud elements. So look here in the diagram. You can also see from the diagram, hybrid is having features from private cloud and features from public cloud. Next point. The clouds in hybrid environment communicate over an encrypted connection, and follow for the portability of data and application. Now let's take that some people from private they want to communicate to public. So there are encryption methods so that they can communicate, and it allows for data and applications to be shared or to be exchanged. Next, hybrid cloud allows greater flexibility as compared to public and private cloud solutions. Now, hybrid is a combination of both, hence it is going to be more flexible. We can decide on the software or data or storage if it is going to be public or private. Okay, so these are the three different types of cloud: public, private, and hybrid. So let's move on to the next topic. The next topic is benefits of cloud computing. The first benefit, cost saving. We are going to pay only for what we are using. When we are using cloud, this is the common thing for everything: infrastructure, software, your data storage, network bandwidth. You are just paying for the only for what you are using. You don't have to buy the infrastructure. You are just renting for the time you are going to use. So it is going to save a lot of money. Next, reliable. Now this is reliable definitely because now my data is saved in cloud. So I can be assured that my data is not going to go anywhere. I can rely on that particular cloud that I can get back my data whenever I need it. Or if I am working on some application, so my application modules, the tools and everything are present. So I can rely on the cloud. Next, the third one, mobility. You don't have to be confined to one place. If we are using cloud computing, you can go to any place and work from there. So you can have mobility. You do not be confined to one place. So these are the three advantages of cloud computing: cost saving, reliable, and mobility. Okay, thank you students.